Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Khalifa Birds Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
No.
That is alright. May I have your name, please?
Miss Avenue.
Would you prefer smoking or non-smoking area, Ma'am Abe?
Nice walking, please.
This way, please. Is this table fine?
Yes, it's fine.
Allow me.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Erwin. I will be your order taker for today. May I present to you our menu? Excuse me, ma'am. I'll be back in 5 minutes to take your order.
Okay.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. If you are ready, may I take your order?
Yes, my order is smoked salmon.
How about you, ma'am?
Caesar salad and 4 season for this.
Would you like to try our best seller, beef steak?
No thanks.
How about our dessert, chocolate sundae?
Yes.
That would be all, ma'am.
Yes.
May I repeat your order? Your order are smoked salmon, Caesar salad, and 4 season for drinks. And the dessert is chocolate sundae. Excuse me, ma'am, your food will be delivered after 10 to 15 minutes. Do you have anything else, ma'am?
Nothing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I complete the setup for you?
Yes, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your smoked salmon, Caesar salad, and chocolate sundae. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Good morning. May I clear your plate, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am.
Bill out, please.
Okay, ma'am. This is your bill, ma'am. I received 500 pesos. I'll be back for your change, ma'am. Excuse me. Here's your change, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you for visiting with us. I'm looking forward for your next visit. Thank you. This way, please.